Here we are discussing a very important question from the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions. Here question is find the value of tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus half plus sin inverse of minus half. Here three terms are given. First term, second term, third term. So we have to find out the values of each of these three terms separately. First we will find value of tan inverse of 1. Okay. So range of tan inverse x is of an interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Range of the principal value of tan inverse, we can write x here, is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, open interval. Okay, so value of tan inverse 1 must belong to this interval, that we should check here. Okay, so let us suppose that tan inverse of 1 is equal to theta 1. Therefore, tan of theta 1 is equal to 1, and we know that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So theta 1 is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, theta 1 is equal to pi by 4. Theta 1 means tan inverse of 1. So we are getting the value of first term. Therefore, tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to find the value of next term, cos inverse of minus half. What will be the range of the principal value of cos inverse? Yes, 0 to pi. Okay. Range of the principal value of cos inverse, let us write x, is equal to 0 to pi. So this value must belong to this interval from 0 to pi. Okay, and let us suppose cos inverse of minus half is equal to theta 2. So therefore we can write here cos theta 2 is equal to minus half, and half is cos pi by 3. So this is minus of cos pi by 3. You know, cos 60 degree is equal to half, negative sign is here, and this minus of cos pi by 3 can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 3, and this is equal to cos of, simplify it, this is 2 pi by 3. So we are getting here theta 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Theta 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3, or theta 2 is cos inverse of minus half. Cos inverse of minus half is equal to 2 pi by 3. So we got the value of first term here. This is the value of second term. Similarly, we have to find out the value of third term also. And what will be the range of sine inverse function? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, closed interval. Okay. So range of the principal value of sine inverse x is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this value must belong to this range. You see here cos inverse of minus half, this is 2 by 3. This is belonging to its range 0 to pi. Similarly, tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. This is belonging to its range minus pi by 2 to pi by open interval. Okay, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 open interval. Similarly, the principal value of this sin inverse minus half must belong to this range. Okay, now let us suppose that sin inverse of minus half is equal to theta 3. Therefore, sin inverse of theta 3 is equal to minus half, and this is equal to minus of sin pi by 6. We know sin 30 degree is equal to half. Negative sign is here, and this can also be written as sin of minus pi by 6, because sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So therefore theta 3 is equal to minus pi by 3. Therefore theta 3 is equal to minus pi by 6. You see, this is belonging to this interval of principal value minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So what is the answer here? We have to find out the sum of tan inverse of 1, that is pi by 4, cos inverse of minus half, that is 2 by 3, and this is sin inverse of minus half, we are getting, this is minus pi by 6. So sum of these three values will get the result. First is tan inverse 1 pi by 4, answer is equal to pi by 4, plus next is 2 pi by 3 and minus pi by 6. Let us simplify it. Here LCM will be 12, here 3 pi plus 8 pi minus 2 pi. This is equal to 9 pi by 12. This is equal to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. This is the answer. Hope you understood it. So remain in touch with these videos. We have to discuss some more important questions and share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.